Corporal punishment is a topic that is widely debated by parents and psychologists. It includes all types of physical punishment, including spanking and slapping. Videos of a parent in Lusaka beating his own son for poor academic results have made rounds on social media. In the video, the mother is heard pleading with the husband not to beat his son. Reacting to this fracas, Independent Churches of Zambia President Bishop David Masupa advises that corporal punishment is not a way of raising a child. He says that there are various ways in which parents can discipline their children.
And your looks. Now look at the kids that you brought.
George.
Huh? You know what's going to happen to you with stupid 2 or 3 certificates? You're supposed to have 1. I told you many times, did anyone to listen?
George, stop beating them, come on.
This is stupidity. You can't be saying stop beating them. You know what this means.
I know it does, but why are you beating them?
I told you this is a scar on your entire life. Even if you come and pass your next sitting, you have 2.
From the Independent Churches of Zambia point of view, we feel that the slapping of a child because of poor performance at school by the father, as we see in that video which is circulating all over, which has gone viral on the social media, is spiritually wrong. We say so because we feel that that is inflicting harm on the child, and that child psychologically is going to grow up with hate in his heart.
The bishop has appealed to Zambia police to drop the charges which have been leveled against the parents.
However, we want to appeal to the Zambia Police Service and the unit which is in charge of this case to really forgive that parent. Probably he just needs a counsel by the spiritual men. Don't jail him or give him a charge, but we can offer ourselves to sit down with him so that we give him the right counsel, and I'm sure he would know how to treat his child.
Meanwhile, other citizens have also condemned the beating of children as a way of teaching them, saying that since charity begins at home, the parents should be able to discipline their children with love as opposed to being violent, as witnessed in the video.
But the extent to which the children are disciplined also matters. Sometimes you may kill, sometimes you may injure, and sometimes you may correct the behavior, but it is not good to be severe.
No, they are not supposed to be beaten. In my view, I don't think beating is the last solution, because generally speaking, the child is supposed to start from me as a parent, educating them so that whether it's she or it's he child goes to school, the teachers are there for final touch-up.
What teachings ought to be followed? The Bible, which says spare the rod and spoil the child, or society should go by the guidelines of the human rights, which state that corporal punishment is a violation of human rights? Sandra Banda reporting for Movie TV News in Lusaka.